Hello everyone, my name is Moji, and you're watching Bitcoin Bubble News Channel. Warning: Bitcoin, Ethereum, and other cryptocurrencies prices are about to break. Watch out. Hey everyone, this is Andrew from Crypto Love. We're going to look at today's movie right now. Guys, fast-breaking price alert for Bitcoin, Ethereum, and other cryptocurrencies before we start. Join us on Twitter through Bitcoin Bubble. You can also subscribe to the OG Bitcoin and Bitcoin Bubble YouTube channel, which has been making daily videos since 2017. That's a very long time. It's now 54 neutral on the fear and greed measure. Yesterday, greed was 56, and we just barely got back to normal today. Bitcoin is at 63.965, Ethereum is at 27.61, and BNB is at 5.73. The market as a whole is not moving. The 100-day and 200-day moving averages, shown in green and orange, are now giving Bitcoin trouble. This blue line, there are signs that the 21 SMA or 21 EMA is starting to tilt back up. The 21 EMA has broken above the 100-day moving average a few times in the past. Let us look. Coin value went from $27,000 to $72,000. This was the first time. The second time was when Bitcoin went from $18,000 to $31,000. Watch out for this 21 SMA going through the green line right there. The average of the last 200 days. Based on the MVRV price bands, one of the hardest levels for Bitcoin to break through right now is the 67.3%, $167,300 area. If Bitcoin can get over this obstacle, it might reach the next one, which is around $80,000. That would be the highest Bitcoin has ever been. Right here is a sign that the last two times this happened, Bitcoin's price moved in a parabolic way. The world M2 hit a new all-time high. The amount of money Bitcoin is hitting new all-time highs, which suggests that the price could be about to go through the roof. Recently, the Japanese stock market crashed, and this loudhailer shape going down is a lot like what happened around COVID 2020. Formation is very similar, and the recovery is very steep and V-shaped. Could we be in for what happened next when Bitcoin went from $3,000 to $20,000? Oh geez, I really hope so. Or, if we look at COVID compared to not long ago, we see another curve. Bitcoin might be worth $100,000 just to look at it. So the next few years could be very, very exciting for Bitcoin. The GMI Bitcoin Cycle Top Finder says we're not even close. It looks like we hit a mid-cycle high, like we did in the summer of 2019. And Bitcoin prices still have a long way to go before they reach a peak, but there are a few signs that a huge move is coming. Bitcoin went up 200% the last time the Bollinger Bandwidth Profile showed multiple blue bars on the 2-week chart, which was back here. Since this is only the second time this has happened in Bitcoin's history, it's likely that a big move is coming. 200%? That might be worth a few $100,000 in Bitcoin though. Here on this chart, we saw a new all-time high every time Bitcoin hit this trend line. This is the Bitcoin VIX trend line. Every time there was a new all-time high, we hit it again with the most recent crash. As you can see from this picture, the on-balance volume has broken out against the March 2020 high. That means we're about to hit yet another all-time high. As of now, the price is not that high. The all-time high before. Based on the overall volume, this is likely a more important breakout than the price breakout we saw. The positive trend has grown stronger. Bitcoin is going to break out next, so keep an eye on it. It might happen very, very soon. We're still very, very early in terms of September, based on the log Bollinger Band with the monthly picture. Before 2016, we went for a whole other year for a huge parabolic rise, looking around to see where we might end up. As you can see from these charts, the log value is going down, and the next high point will be around $270,000, which is almost $250,000 to $350,000 per Bitcoin. This crazy cycle is coming up, and Ethereum is right behind it. Ethereum does the last moves again. After the retest, the next rise will send ETH to $15,000. You can see the barrier from the trend line right here. If you test it again, it will go back up to that trend line, which is about $15,000 for Ethereum. Also good news for altcoins and probably joke coins. Dogecoin is fooling up for the third part of the rally. Time and time again, the price has broken through the decline, found support there, and then gone up by a huge amount. This is the third time, and we're locked, loaded, and ready for a huge alt season. That's all there is to this show. Click like on the video if you liked it. That video is what YouTube thinks you will really enjoy right now. Go look it over. I'll see you soon. Enjoy your day, sweetheart. Peace. For those of you who don't think Bitcoin will reach $1 million and then $10 million, you're already a loser. You're a fool if you don't have Bitcoin from now on.